Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to spy on your Shopify competitors. First, find your competitors. Go to Google and search for products you also sell. Look at the top results. Many Shopify stores have URLs with /collections or /products. You can also find stores using tools like SimilarWeb or by checking what's trending on social media. Once you find a store, start by looking at their website. Study their layout. See how they show products, how they price them, and what kind of photos they use. This gives you clues about what works well. If you want deeper data, use a free Chrome extension called Koala Inspector. Go to the store's website, then open Koala Inspector. It shows what theme the store uses, which Shopify apps are installed, and often the full list of products, collections, and even their newest launches. It's a fast way to understand what tools your competitor is using to grow. Next, look at their product descriptions. Are they short or long? Do they use reviews or photos from customers? Take note of the writing style and layout. Also, check how they handle pricing, discounts, and shipping. Compare this to your own store to see where you can improve. This is how you can spy on your Shopify competitors using free tools and smart observation.